Jessica, you inspired me. I'm making eggs for the crew this morning here in the kitchen. This is how you do eggs and marinara sauce. You bring the marinara up to a simmer, drop the eggs into the marinara. I threw some fresh basil in there, and then I'm putting another, you put a lid on it. I didn't have a lid for this pan. I put another matching fry pan on top of it. So I want the marinara sauce to just simmer a little. And you can see the eggs are starting to cook. I'm going to put the lid back on. So it's much better to poach the eggs in the marinara sauce than to fry an egg and add it to the marinara. The whites aren't rubbery this way, and the eggs take on the full flavor of the marinara. It's a much better way to cook them. And it makes it a one-pot meal instead of 2 pots, and everything's ready at the same time. Okay, Jessica, so they're ready now for my crew to eat. Jessica, I'm gonna do pizza dough with garlic butter, tomatoes, and olives instead of toast. White pizza for the rest of the crew. White pizza, Parmesan and mozzarella. Okay, so then you just yeah, this one's good. And white pizza dough with it. This is the final product. And so I made white pizza for them, and I made tomatoes and olive pizza for them. Olive fell off of that. Pizza and olive, tomato fresh, and with a garlic butter. That's their breakfast today on Sunday. You're gonna love me. So they're all eating it and loving it. And but I wanted to show you when you do it like that, you know, it's so nice. When the egg runs into the tomato sauce, it makes it creamy and dreamy. Okay, Jessica, I hope this inspired you. Patrick, I call him Disco Dude Patrick. PTDD for short. I'm very happy to see him eating. Did you like it, Patrick?
Yeah.
Tell me about it. Now, you will notice that Patrick is wearing a Boston Red Sox hat. Why is that, Patrick?
Because they won.
Ah!